session we will discuss static variable. So what's a static variable? Already we have to discuss instance variable. So what's instance variable? Instance variable is an object level. If you want to maintain information at object level, then we should go for instance variable. The information is specific to every object of a class. But if you want to maintain common information, common requirement, then we have required to use static variable. So remember this point, static variable is used to fulfill the common requirement. For example, company name of the employee, college name of the student. So name of the college is common for all students. Name of the company is common for all the employees. So now try to understand when and why we use static variable. So suppose if you want to store all employee information of any company, so in this case employee ID is a unique for every employee. So it means this employee ID information is a unique for every employee. But company name is a common for every employee of that company. But company name is common for all. If you declare employee ID as instance variable, it means for every employee a separate copy will be created. But if you declare company name as an instance variable, for company name variable a separate copy will be created for every employee. But the information was maintained by the company name variable, the information is common for all objects of a class. If the information is common, why we have created number of copies? If the information is common, then we can maintain as a single copy and share all objects of that class to that copy. But employee ID we can't declare as a static variable because employee ID we have required to maintain information, specific information. If you want to maintain information as a specific information, then we have required to use instance variable. But if you want to maintain information as common information, then we have required to declare such type variable as a static variable. Because for instance variable, a separate copy will be maintained. But for static variable, a single copy will be maintained at class level. So now read this point. When we create a static variable as a company name, then only once memory is allocated. Otherwise, it allocates memory space each time for every employee. So first of all, remember this point, when and why we are using static variable. Static variable is used for to fulfill common requirement. If any variable which containing the common information, then we should go for static variable. Then we have required such type variable as a static variable. If any variable contains specific information for all object of a class, then we have required to declare such type variable as an instance variable. But if any variable which containing information as common information for all object of a class, such type variable we have required to declare as a static variable. Instance for instance variable, a separate copy will be allocated, but for static variable, only single copy will be created. So what is the advantage? The major advantage of memory utilizations. So now read this point. If the value of variable is not varied from object to object, then it is never recommended to declare that variable at object level. If the value of variable is varied from object to object, then it is recommended to declare that variable at object level. But if the value of variable is not varied from object to object, then it is never recommended to declare that variable at object level. So remember this point, we have to declare such type variable at a class level. In the case of instance variable, for every object separate copy will be created. But in the case of static variable, only one copy will be created at class level and share that copy for every object of the class. So static variable is used to fulfill common requirement. So remember this note point, if the value of variable is varied from object to object, then we should go for instance variable. In the case of instance variable, for every object a separate copy will be created. But if the value of variable is same for all objects, then we should go for static variable. In the case of static variable, only one copy will be created at class level and share that copy for every object of the class. So I hope you will understand what is a static variable and when we should go for static variable. Thank you.